Secretary of Health, sir, Director, Delhi Railway Hospital, Professor Eva Malini, Vajira, BJC, Padania, and colleagues of ours. Thank you for the invitation, Professor Eva Malini, to be over here. It's a pleasure to be here again. I remember coming here, Padania, for the launch of your headache clinic. That was the last time I was here. So I was just asking the director just now, and I understand that this has been established, functioning, and was that last year or this year? Last year, it was in 2011, correct? And you had the resource person who had come over here, and how time flies, and it's a pleasure coming back over here. So thank you for the invitation, and as the previous speakers have already spoken, I understand from Professor Hemamali that this association will act as a sort of a umbrella body to look at child development, because there is already excellent work going on amongst different actors, different people, different associations, different societies. So this will be a platform of bringing the people together. I was very happy to see the description that this will be multidisciplinary, and I was very happy, Professor Imamali, when you mentioned that you will involve parent associations, because that is what is most important. Because in a busy hospital, a parent brings a child for developmental needs, whether it is a special need child, a chronically ill child, or a developmental needs child. Whatever it is just 1 or 2 hours that they come over here, they get recourse to treatment, to counseling, etc., but then they have to go back home. And that is where the coping mechanisms, the understanding of the parents, the understanding of the communities, destigmatization, etc., is most important. And I'm very happy that you mentioned that parent associations would be part of it, and I would encourage you that to involve them in a big way, where Sri Lanka has come so much till now to bring down the vaccine preventable disease, communicable disease, tuberculosis, AIDS, malaria, etc. Now the other special needs, developmental needs, child injuries, child abuse, nutritional issues are going to be in the forefront. Special needs, as we have already discussed on several occasions, is a big issue in Sri Lanka. And I was just glancing through a document that Anoma had given me, put together in 2009 on the background. And the estimate is about 800,000 children with special needs in the country, which is a huge burden. That is quite a large, that's almost 1 million out of 20 million, which is a big burden. And there is already good work going on. I have had the fortune of going to Gopi's center, which is the Cerebral Palsy Society for Sri Lanka, when Mr. Mahi Drisdale, the Olympic rowing champion, was here. Gopi invited me. It was a pleasure going there. There were just about 20 children with cerebral palsy, but there was so much of good work going on, and there is so much of good work going on in autism, in various fields, and I'm sure that this association, once it gets off off ground, it will act as an umbrella for bringing the people together. From WHO point of view, we assure you of our collaboration, and I'm sure, just like the SLMA, the professional organizations, this will be another association of taking the agenda forward. I would also like to congratulate you on your symbol, which is very significant, about a flower coming out from within a cage, and that is exactly what a special need child is. That is a normal brain caught in a body which cannot move, cannot respond, etc. So I wish you good luck, good wishes, and congratulations on this enterprise. Thank you very much.